Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for software walkthroughs, tech tips, and productivity tools that make work a lot easier. In today's video, we are diving into OpenProject, an open source project management platform that's been gaining serious attention lately. But the big question is it really the best project management software option out there? We will explore its key features, interface, pricing, and how it compares to big names like Asana, ClickUp, and Trello. So by the end of this video, you'll know if OpenProject is the right fit for your workflow or team setup. Let's begin. OpenProject is an open source project management software designed to help teams plan, track, and collaborate on projects efficiently, especially in agile, traditional, or hybrid workflows. If you go to the official website and you hover to the pricing plans, as you may notice that it offers different pricing plans for your team. You can start with the basic around $7.25 per user per month, and you get to have all these perks and benefits. The professional is around $13.50, the premium is at $19.50, and the corporate is something that you need to contact the sales department so that they can offer a tailored fit solution that fits your business needs, size, and of course your budget. But the good thing about OpenProject is that it offers a free trial. If you click the Start Free Trial on the top corner, it's very important for you to create an account here to try the platform firsthand, because this will let you see how it looks, check how easy it is to navigate, whether there are any learning curves along the way, and if it truly fits your business needs. Just provide all the information needed, and then you will be forwarded to the main homepage of OpenProject's platform. We're going to skip this for now. And then as you can see, the interface is very straightforward. It's clean, it's functional. In the left side area of our navigation, we have all the tools and features that we are going to explore. Now, the home page is going to be your main dashboard of OpenProject. It gives you an overview of all your projects, recent activities, and key updates. Essentially, it's going to be your starting point to quickly access important information without digging into individual projects. Now, below that is going to be the My page, which is kind of like your personal dashboard for each user here in OpenProject. Because from here, you can, of course, display tasks assigned to you, to your recent activities, upcoming deadlines, and quick links. So think of it as your work cockpit to stay organized. And of course, the most important part of OpenProject is going to be the projects. This is where you list all projects you are involved in. If you wanted to create a new project from scratch, all I have to do is click the Create a New Project. And we can rename the project as this one in sub-project of probably a Scrum project. You can use a template if you want. But if you don't have that, click the Create a New Project from scratch. And then it will forward you to the builder. You can add a widget if you want. You can add a calendar, custom text, members, news, project description if you wanted. It's up to you, okay? But the thing is, you can create, access, and manage different projects here. It provides a centralized view of project details, timelines, and status. And then there is going to be the work packages. The work packages are OpenProject's term for tasks or units of work. Each work package can have descriptions, deadlines, priorities, task, milestones, and summary tasks. For example, if you want to create a summary task, you can create a new project here. Okay? And then click the Save button. Now, each work package can have descriptions, and you can track the progress, dependencies, and task status here. It's up to you. Now, we're going to go back again here in the main homepage because we have the Gantt charts. The Gantt charts is going to be the visual timeline of any given project tasks. It shows how tasks relate to each other over time right here. It's useful for planning, scheduling, and identifying potential delays or conflicts. Now, again, you have the ability to create any task, milestone, summary, until bug. Okay? Now, next is going to be the team planners. This is a handy tool for resource planning and workload management. As you may notice, there is like a plus button for the team planner. If you wanted to create a new one, you can do so. Okay, we're gonna create the right here, type the search, and then it's gonna be public, and we're gonna create one. Now it lets you who is assigned to what tasks and when. You can add assignees here if you wanted, which is helpful if you are working in a collaborative environment. All right. Now, after that, we're going to go back here and we're going to click the boards. The boards helps you prevent overloading team members and optimizes project scheduling because here it is kind of like a Kanban style boards for task management. The tasks or work packages are organized in column like project, type, and created on, plus the status. If you click the create a board, you have the ability to create a new board here from scratch, and which is kind of really helpful for agile workflows and visual tracking of projects. And then you have the meetings. Meetings are the tool that can schedule right here. If you wanted to create a one-time meeting, title, location, for example, if it's going to be like an online meeting, you can do that as well. Now, this can include agendas, minutes, and follow-up actions, which keeps everyone on team aligned and accountable. All right. And then, of course, you have the ability to create a recurring meetings, weekly involvement, invitations attended and created by you. All right. And then after that is going to be the news. This is going to be a centralized announcement and updates related to the projects, which is kind of useful for team communication and keeping everyone informed of any changes or important information. Now, the time costs right here is a new feature in OpenProject that lets you decide if you wanted to create a report via the XLS or export PDF timesheet. It's kind of really helpful to display any displayed values here so that you can calculate the work hours, which is kind of helpful to get you a detailed analytics for your team. Now, as you may notice, if you go to the homepage, the platform is kind of intuitive. You can tell it's easy to navigate with virtually no learning curve, right? If you'd like to explore further, my suggestion is that you can visit trusted software review platform like Capterra. From here, you can check authentic user reviews, detailed feedback, pricing information, and potential alternatives to OpenProject. This site provides valuable insights from real users, helping you make a well-informed decision that fits your specific needs and budget. And with that being said, if you're looking for a flexible, transparent, and collaborative platform, especially one you can self-host or customize to fit your workflow, OpenProject definitely deserves a top spot on your lists. It shines for teams that value open source control, strong task management, and robust Gantt and Agile features without the steep costs of any tools. However, if you need advanced automation, third-party integrations, or a more modern user interface, you might find platforms like Asana, Monday.com, or ClickUp a little smoother out of the box. At the end of the day, OpenProject stands out for what it offers, like power, privacy, and flexibility, all without locking you into a subscription ecosystem. Remember, it offers a 14-day free trial, absolutely at no cost. All right? If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.